Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Dodge Challenger software. First, gather your materials. You will need a USB drive and access to a computer with an internet connection. Before starting, make sure your Challenger's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your vehicle's system functionality and user experience. Next, navigate to the official Dodge website to find the latest software update for your Challenger. Carefully select the correct file that matches your vehicle's year and model. Once downloaded, transfer this file to a USB drive. Ensure the USB drive is formatted to FAT32 and has at least 1 GB of available space for the update file. Now, take your prepared USB drive to your Dodge Challenger. Insert the USB drive into one of the vehicle's USB ports. The Uconnect system should automatically detect the update file. Follow the prompts displayed on your screen to begin the installation. Please remain patient, as this process can take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to complete. After the update is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Remove the USB drive and then verify the new software version within your Uconnect system settings. Take some time to explore any new features or performance enhancements. If you encounter any unexpected issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact your local Dodge dealership for assistance. Enjoy your updated Challenger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.